What's up guys, are you ready to make some serious cash online? I'm talking about a brand new method that's blowing up right now, like seriously exploding. This is something we've never covered before, and you won't believe how simple it is. No need to build a website, no tech skills required. Yeah, you heard that right, and the best part, it's perfect for beginners. So, if you're ready to start making money online today, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future money-making tutorials. Let's do this. So what's this secret method all about? Well, it all started with someone you might know, Andrew Tate. Remember how he practically broke the internet? That was all thanks to a little technique called clipping. Here's how it works. Andrew gave people his content, and they reposted short, attention-grabbing clips on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. He didn't even have to post it himself. Others did the work, and he went crazy viral. Now here's the twist. You can now get paid for doing the same thing, but for other creators. Imagine getting paid just to repost viral-worthy content. That's what we're talking about today. This is where the magic happens. A platform called Whoop. It's like the YouTube of making money with viral clips. Head over to whoop.com and create your free account. Think of Whoop as a content monetization platform. Basically, it connects creators who want their content to go viral with people like you who can make it happen. It's like affiliate marketing, but instead of sharing links, you're sharing viral videos. Once you're in, click that Discover tab and get ready to be amazed. Scroll down and hit Content Rewards. Now because we want you making bank, filter by most paid out. Boom! Just like that, you'll only see creators who are actively paying users for video views. Okay, so you're on the most paid out page and you're probably thinking, people are actually paying for this? They sure are. You'll find channels offering some crazy good deals like $3 per 1,000 views, $400 per viral video, even instant payouts. Now you might be wondering, why are they paying so much? It's all about brand awareness, my friends. Just like companies used to pay for Facebook ads, they now pay real people like you to post clips that go viral. It's like having your own personal army of promoters. So go ahead, pick a creator you like, someone who resonates with your interests, and click that Join button. Congrats, you're officially part of the Viral Marketing Squad. Chapter 4. Join a group. Once you join a creators group, you'll get access to a treasure chest of content, a Google Drive folder overflowing with viral-worthy videos. We're talking lifestyle clips, podcast snippets, motivational content, even those insane car and jet videos that everyone loves. Some of these clips are already short, sweet, and ready to be posted. Others you can spice up with captions and cool effects using apps like CapCut or Adobe Premiere. Don't worry, you don't need to be Spielberg to make these videos pop. A little creativity goes a long way. Remember, the goal is to make these videos your own. Add your own flavor, your own style, and watch the views and the cash start rolling in. Chapter 5. Upload and get paid. Time to unleash your inner social media guru. Take those awesome clips and post them on all your favorite platforms. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, the more, the merrier. Each creator has their own payout structure, so pay attention to the details. Some might pay per 1,000 views, others might have a flat rate for a viral video. But one thing's for sure, you get paid for your efforts. And the best part, you'll see the proof in the group chat. People are constantly sharing their success stories, earning $100, $200, even $400 per post. It's like having a digital ATM that never runs out of cash. Chapter 6. Scale up. Let's do some quick math, shall we? If one video can bring in a cool $400, imagine posting just one video per week. That's an extra $1,600 per month. Need I say more? But why stop there? Post more often, experiment with different content, and watch your earnings skyrocket. We're talking $3,000, $5,000, even more per month just by uploading viral clips. This is the future of online income, guys. No more slaving away at a 9-to-5. You can literally make money from anywhere in the world with just your phone and an internet connection. Outros start earning today. Let's be real. This is hands down the easiest way to make money online in 2025. Especially if you're just starting out. No need to build a website, create your own products, or deal with any tech headaches. And the best part? It's completely free to start. And the content is already made for you. All you have to do is post it, watch it go viral, and rake in the cash. It's that simple. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2, where I'll show you how to edit, tag, and upload your content for maximum views. Until next time, peace.